Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to manicure your nails in the comfort of your own home using the Red Addict from Nail Addict LA. This is quite detailed and beginner friendly. So babes, if you're looking to learn and improve your skills, definitely keep watching. So I did try to get my nail polish out. I tried several times, but apparently the shellac nail polish I used, which is this white one, was so hard to get. It was just too stubborn. So I went ahead and I polished my nails with the Red Addict from Nail Addict LA, and it still turned out really gorgeous. I don't know what it would have looked like if I had taken off the white paint, but regardless, it turned out really nice, and that was exactly what I was going for, and that was what I got at the end. So I'm not truly happy and really pleased with the nail polish. They're all like really gorgeous, but my most favorite one was the Red Addict. I absolutely love it. besides sending me 6 nail polish, they also did send me a mini LED lamp, which I found really handy. This literally dried my nails in seconds. I'm not even joking. Like, I absolutely love it, and I was so impressed. I did get one time on I think Amazon, but I honestly don't even know where it is because apparently it didn't work as good as this. I'm really happy with the product. Honestly, this could really save you a lot of money going to the nail salon. You can as well just do this at home by yourself and save all of that money that you probably go and not spend in the nail salon. Like, I find this really helpful. And yeah, like, I'm truly happy with the product. right, that's it guys. Thank you for tuning into this week's video. We'll leave all of the details in the description box, including the discount code, which I believe is MATI, and you get a 45% discount off. Also, if you liked this content, please make sure to smash that like button, comment, subscribe, and share. Till I see you in my next video, take care, be safe, and bye for now.